All right, everybody. Winter Storm Elliott. It's about 6:30. Oh no, 7 o'clock. Sorry, 7 o'clock p.m. on Friday evening. I'm getting ready to go out and load up the boiler. I'm gonna take all the pups with me. We've got a fair amount of snow. This porch here was shoveled earlier today, and it's already got almost another foot on it. And I'm gonna be putting this GoPro on my head, and I've never done this, but we'll see how it works out. All right, everybody, here we go. Puppies are going out. I'm going out. Wow. Now I do need to clear a little bit in front of this porch here, or in front of the door anyway. I mean, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's at least a foot deep right in front of the door. Fortunately, all of this, it's super cold out, so it's very fluffy snow. It's not the heavy, nasty stuff. Of course, there's ice down here. I just want the door to be able to open right. Oh, really fluffy stuff. Holy cow. Hey, where are you going? The missus doesn't want to be on the video. Man, super light, fluffy snow, which is awesome. Oh, that's our new puppy, Drax. Say hi, Drax. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Shake, shake. Good boy. And this is Callie. And then we got a supervisor, Jethro. We do have a lot of drifting out here. Still blowing pretty hard. I don't know if you can see the flags up there. I can't tell you how many times I've hit that thing. And that puppy is a whiner. Hey, you're fine. You're fine. He's whining because he ran into the Reese hitch. He's fine. Oh, I've hit that Reese hitch a few times. All right. Okay, so just undisturbed snow. It's pretty much up to my knees, just below my knees, up to my gaiters anyway. We got a little, there's the pups. We got a little snow gauge right here, sitting at, what is that, 13? No, that's not right. I don't know what the hell that is. 13, 14 inches at least. Nice and dark out here. I'll get the lights on. Lots of drifting. Ooh, boy, the temp's down to 140. Not great. But I haven't had to fill it today, so I can't really complain. I'm sure I still got plenty of coals in here. Oh yeah, lots of coals. This ain't gonna take long to kick off. Move. We'll shovel just a little out of the way. right, so I guess for comparison, this was cleaned out yesterday, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. There's lots of drifting though. That same spot right here, you know, about here up on the shovel. Then we got this spot here. So yeah, drifting. The only reason I'm still using this wood is because it's here. I got the whole woodshed full, but I figured I'd get this this pallet used up first, and there's a lot of good stuff in here. A lot of good stuff. Go ahead and get some of this unwet stuff used up first. That's a beautiful coal bed. I'm gonna load it up a little extra tonight just because I don't feel like coming out here super early tomorrow. But I'll tell you what, I didn't load it up at all today, which is pretty amazing. But like my previous video, I've only been loading it once a day. Wow, that's never happened before. Wind. So, you know, once a day for this huge thing, heating basically a little over 5,000 square feet. That's, to me, that's pretty impressive. Pretty amazing, actually. Puppy looks cool. Jethro, come here. Come here, good boy. Good boy. What are you digging at, huh? What are you digging at? Good boy. Oh, the other one's here. Good girl. Yeah, I know. He is a whiner. He's so vocal. All right. Good and warm in there. Ooh, there's a big chunk. Let's get that guy in there. Oh, nice. Yeah, you're gonna burn a long time. All right. A couple more decent sized chunks. Man. How about this one? Don't know if I can carry that one-handed. Got it. Okay. You know, as long as you got a coal bed in there, pretty much everything will take off. Doesn't matter if there's snow on it or not. I still usually knock the snow off if I can. Oh, there's some good pieces up there. Oh, there goes one. There goes another. Come back for them. Oh, it's windy. Alright. Good boy. That dog would play fetch right now. I hope y'all can see this, because I have no idea what's actually being recorded. Okay. Some pieces down here. We'll get these out of the way. How about this one there? There we go. All right. All right, almost there. I'm gonna throw a few extra in. Stop. There we go. Ooh, a couple good, dense, heavy pieces. And a couple more. A couple more will be done. Yeah, there we go. And I just emptied the ash out last night, in preparation for this storm anyway. Oh man, that's a good load right there. If I had to guess, I'd say that's close to a 3rd cord-ish. Face cord, that is. Maybe a 1/4 of a face cord. Which kind of makes sense. I calculated that I'd be using around a face cord every 3, 4, 5 days. Kick the fans on. Alright, so we're at 140, but it doesn't take very long, especially with that much wood in there. It'll be back up to temp in no time. So there we have it. Come on, Jethro. Go look at this drift next to the barn. It's pretty nuts. The wind must be hitting the look at that. The drift is as big as he is. The wind must be hitting the barn and bouncing back. Because here, if you can see that, it's past my knees, but then nothing. It's weird. Right up next to the barn, there's almost nothing. So got all sorts of weird drifting going on. It is really cool though. It's actually making it, the snow anyway, all the way in and out of the lean-to. I know you can't see all the way back in there, but there's snow everywhere in there. There's the plow truck way over there, and yeah, she's pretty much buried. It could get out of there pretty easy though, not a big deal. There's the flags whipping. And hey, really appreciate y'all checking this out. Ooh, windy. All the cars buried. Look at the poor Honda. Almost as deep as his tires. Actually, holy crap. The whole front end of the Honda. Look at that. The Honda is just gone. If I come around here, yeah, the Honda Accord's gone. The Grand Cherokee's not doing too bad, but it's covered with 1.5 feet of snow. The Bronco I took out today. Went and got gas if you saw my earlier video. So I had it cleaned off earlier, but you can see the drifting difference where wind's blowing from the west-ish. So this way, and all the drifting up here. But very cool. I love the weather. Alrighty. And the Christmas lights. Love the Christmas lights. There's, look at that. Almost a sheer cliff coming off the side of the smoker there. That's about 18 or so inches, 20 maybe. Well, y'all have a great night. If you're up north like I am, enjoy it. Personally, I do. I think this stuff's awesome. It's not very often anymore we get to deal with this stuff. But have a great holiday. Merry Christmas, everybody. And I'll probably throw one more update out on the storm tomorrow to see how all this turns out. And y'all have a great evening.
That's my Merry Christmas sign there, backwards.